The Spanish giants have become frustrated with Bale's attitude, fitness and form. Picture. Getty. Gareth Bale looks increasingly likely to be sacrificed by Real Madrid this summer in order to fund a massive transfer splurge. According to reports in Spain, the Welshman's season and entire career at Real has been hampered by injuries. While he was left on the bench for the Champions League clash with PSG despite getting back to full fitness, Carlo Ancelotti's failure to use Bale effectively contributed to his dismissal. Though now is report that President Florentino Perez is ready to give up on Bale and back Zinedine Zidane instead. Bale was on the bench against PSG and looked disinterested in the dugout. Picture. Getty. The former Tottenham winger is said to have angered Real staff with his attitude on the bench against PSG, yawning and looking disinterested throughout. He had to be hurried along as he took off his tracksuit before eventually coming on in the second half, and then ignored skipper Sergio Ramos' call to join the rest of the Real team in applauding the fans in the center circle. Zidane was a big fan of Bale and played a key role in signing him from Spurs. But he has lost faith in the Welshman more recently after a string of injury worries. Real have played 12 games since Bale returned to full fitness and he is still yet to play the full 90 minutes in any of those matches, with that trend continuing in Sunday's 5-3 win over Real Betis. Bale has played 800 minutes in La Liga this season, scoring 6 times. Picture. Getty. He was very quiet in the match before being subbed off in the 73rd minute, and Zidane gave a tellingly curt response when asked to evaluate Bale's display. He played his game, and that's it. If Zidane remains in charge at the Bernabeu beyond the summer, there is a good chance that Bale will not remain at the club. Real are interested in the likes of Hazard, Kane and Icardi to replace Bale. Picture. Getty. Perez is increasingly open to offloading the 28-year-old who has attracted interest from Manchester United in the past due to his poor injury record and Zidane's concerns. While they feel PSG have shown them up by signing Kylian Mbappé and Neymar, the funds from any sale will then be used to overhaul their attacking options, with the likes of Eden Hazard and Harry Kane mooted as potential targets as Real look to bolster their firepower.